Hi, Fiona from Tentworld, Townsville. As we know, winter's on its way and it's getting a little bit chilly in Townsville in the low 20s. So I thought I'd break out our heater range and in particular show you the Mr. Heater Portable Buddy Heater. So this little robust heater, as I said, is portable and it's perfect for adding warmth to any outdoor location. It's been redesigned with new features including a tip over safety. So what that means is if it gets knocked over, it will shut off. It can run off your little propane bottles. It can also run off your 9 kg gas bottle using your Coleman extra long hose. So this has a BOM fitting on one end and your barbecue POL bottle fitting on the other end. So I'm going to show you today using the disposable bottle. These bottles, just take your cap off. On the side here is your little fitting. It's as simple as screwing the bottle in, making sure that it's nice and tight. As you can see, it's easy to do, and then your bottle drops down to the side of the heater. On top of the heater here, we have our one button ignition. So you have an off switch, pilot, low and high. On low, we're getting about 4 to 6 hours per bottle in our store. On high, you're getting about 2.5 hours. So simply to start this, to press the button to pilot, click it down till you see a pilot light come on, and then click it to either low or high. There we go. So that's on low. I'll pop it onto high so that you can see it heat up pretty quickly. As I said, it is pretty heavy duty. It will heat up to 18 square meters. And it does have a decent run time. On your POL bottle, so your 9 kg barbecue bottle, you'll get 48 hours. Because this is portable, your sizes, you're looking at 23 centimeters in height, 25 depth and 21 wide. Handle on it does fold down, so it does run off, like I said earlier, either a small propane disposable bottle or your 4.5 9 kg bottle. If you have a 3/8 bottle, you can run it. All you need to do is buy the hose, which will convert it to use your 3/8 left-hand thread bottles. I'm going to leave this running now. If you're feeling the cold, jump out, grab yourself one of our heaters, or jump onto tentworld.com.au and we'll send one to you. Thank you.